Hello friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Now in this video I am going to show you the use of list action in Credential internal business object. Let me first delete all these things and take action stage, double click on that, select Credentials internal business object and select list. So list action, do you know what is the use of this list action? List action is used to get all the credentials based on this status. It means it will filter out your all the credential, it will give you the data. So let's say you have created 5 credentials and there are 2 credentials that are invalid, there are 3 credentials that are valid. So first you want to get you want to list out all the credential which is invalid so that you can check or you can delete something like that. So just to get or list out all the credential with the status, you can use this list. I can show you here, but for that I need to make some scenario. So go to this and here you can see this is our credential, this is status, it means valid. So this credential is currently valid. Now let me create one more. I can mark as invalid. Now click OK. So here we are getting one valid and one invalid. Click one more. Click OK. So you can see now here we have 2 invalid and 1 valid. Now go to the studio, refresh this, link this one, double click on this, and now you can see here it says that list available credential. If no status is specified, then all credentials will be returned. So if you will not pass any status value here, then it will return all the credentials here. So here you need to create output data item, that is credentials, and it will give us as a credential name, description, expiry date and status. So click OK, and this is the collection. Reset this, right click, set next stage, and now you can see here 1 of 3. It means we have total 3 credentials that we have, 1 valid, 2 invalid. So we have credential name and the status showing same as this. All it will list out all this credential name, description, expiry date, status, like that. Now let me come here, reset this, double click on that, and now I want to just see only invalid credentials. So I will put here invalid credential and click OK. Right click, set next stage, and now you will see here will have only 2 credentials, and those are only with the status invalid. You can see invalid credential and test credential, these 2 are invalid. So by this way you can use list credential is used to list all the credentials name based on their status. If you will not pass any value in the status, it will just return all the credential, right? So I hope you got it, and I hope you like this video. Then please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.